Welcome to the Quick Start Guide for the Optical Light Lens for Mac series. In the box is an optical light lens, a 50mm lens, a set of 19 effect plates, 2 Gobo adapters, and adjustable metal leaf insert, crafted from high-quality recycled aluminum. Align the position marks on the lens and projector, then rotate to complete the installation. Compatible with Harlow Avant and Mac series. Loosen the locking bolt to rotate the projector and adjust the Gobo effect as desired. With the included set of 19 effect plates, you will have a great selection of unique effects at your disposal. Can be connected to the V-mount handle for convenient handheld use. Focus the lens to ensure sharp and precise projections at any distance. Put the Gobo plate into the Gobo holder and insert the holder into the projector. The built-in magnets will hold the Gobo holder in place. Stepless adjustment of the aperture allows for extreme precise control of lighting effects. The 4 blades of the adjustable metal leaf insert enable flexible and accurate shaping of your light. Using colored gels is effortless thanks to the magnetic attachment, allowing for quick and easy changes.